Greetings everyone. So today we've got a unboxing video here for you. I was able to pick up a Audio-Technica Pro 70 cardioid condenser lavalier sounds French instrument microphone. So I wanted to get a clip-on microphone so that way I'd be able to do recordings without having to have a microphone unit sitting in front of me. And just so I would have a little bit more freedom, be able to move around and things like that, or just not have that straight in front of me. So we're just going to unbox this. And I mean, I have an idea of what to expect, but I'm hoping that I'll be able to like plug this in and we'll try it and just do a live test right here. So we'll see how this goes. Last unboxing I did was for my lightsabers, so we'll see how this goes. I've been kind of waiting a while to do this. I got it a while ago, but haven't had the chance to sit down and do this. So here's the instructions that it comes with specifications and such. And then here is, looks like the unit itself. Here's a cloth carrying case with a couple other things. Oh look! Batteries are included. Usually they're not. I don't think. Here it looks like the clip thing. And little extra clippy bit something or other. And that's the box. Alright. This out here. Hang on. Oh, that was weak. My weak ASMR attempt. Okay, so this has a nice good long cord here when we get it unraveled, which is nice. So that way I'll be able to plug it into the unit, I hope. I mean, oh yeah, I need a thing here. And I don't think I have one with me. I gotta go get it. Just hang tight. I'll be back. Here we go. Got my cable here. So yeah, this has a nice long cord. The idea is that it can hook onto my belt or my pants while I'm got this on here, which I guess I'm going to need that clippy bit. And this probably needs some batteries too. I can. Okay, there it is. Just one AA battery, which they provided. It was nice of them. Oh, come on. Toshiba. Some metal casing on this. Nice. Should hold up for a lifetime, I imagine. As long as I'm not smashing it against brick walls and things. Let's see, what was that? That was the clip. So I want that. Nice little carrying case to make sure that stays nice. Father's Day weekend at the time I'm filming this. Thank God for all the fathers in our lives, literal or figurative. And I'm grateful for my father. He's a humble but wise man who seeks the Lord's wisdom and counsel. I remember when I was little, I would see him up early in the morning. He would work early in the morning, and I would see him reading his Bible. He served in our church when I was growing up, and my life is all the better for him, and I thank God for him. Okay, so here's that. I'm just going to go ahead and clip that on. Does this turn at all? Does this angle at all? Well, maybe not. No. It's kind of like that. Well, maybe. I guess sometimes these things have a little pivot thing where you can like turn it a little better, but oh well. I'll just do like that. There we go. Okay, now I don't know if I can actually plug this in while it's recording, so I'm just going to turn this off for a second and then plug it in and see what happens. We'll try in number 1, I guess. And turn it on. Ooh, it's getting a little heavy here. No, it's still catching that. Is it catching this? No. Ah, hang on. It could help if I read the instructions, but I lost the instructions to this thing a long time ago. What's this thing do? No, I don't think that's doing it either. Mic input. Oh. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, that's... Oops. Okay. Well, there's that. Okay, it's one channel. It's left. I should check the recording level. Let me back it down a bit and see what happens. Because usually I have the other one recording just real gentle. Hang on. Okay, so now I have it recording just real gently. So I can normalize it probably better that way. See how that works. Okay, so here this is testing. 1, 2, 3, testing. I'm going to talk up here. I'm going to talk this way. I'm going to talk that way. I'll try talking straight down to it. Okay, well, here it is. And I don't really know what it sounds like, but I can see that it's working because I can see my bit going here like that. So there it is. It works. I don't know what the battery life on this thing is. I'm kind of curious what this thing does too. Testing 1, 2. Yeah, I really don't know what that does, but well, that's why I've got a manual for it. So I'll read the manual and see what goes on there. Oh, is this a clippy thing that... Well, I guess it is a clippy thing, and it's like got an attachy bit. Not like... No, attachy. Okay, never mind. Okay, well, I guess that's it. That's the video. So I'll be using this at some point to maybe do some other videos. So that way I don't necessarily have to have this here, although I kind of like that that was stereo, but we'll see what happens. Okay, I guess that'll do for now. So thanks for watching. Just a simple little thing. And hope you're doing well. And again, happy Father's Day weekend to any fathers that are out there, and to any sons who think fondly of their fathers. And thankful, of course, to our Heavenly Father, who made us, designed us, knows us better than anyone does, even ourselves. And yeah, so thank you very much for watching, and as always, may the Force be with you. Okay, hang on guys, I just got something here. I figured out how to do, this microphone will let you do 4 ways. It'll let you record, yeah, four inputs. So I've got this one here, sorry, that I'm speaking into, and then I've got these guys over here. So I don't know, that could be interesting. See what you think about this. Because here I am, I'm talking on this one, but I can also come over here and do stuff like this. I don't know how interesting this would be. Because here's an idea that I want to do. It's over here. I actually feel a little bit more tied down now, actually. That's just because I'm here hanging around this setup. This is something that I want to do. Not right now, but this is something I want to do. I got this actually back in Christmas. I put it together, or no, I was halfway putting it together, and I'm thinking, oh wait, this would have been a great idea to do for a like a video, like just a quiet putting together video. And I don't know, I might try that. Although I don't know if I can separate the channels if I do it this way or not. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think about this setup. If I'm just kind of, like if I'm sort of... I don't know. See, let me know in the comments what you think about that. If that's something that you'd like to try, like me to try. Not necessarily the ASMR bit, but just like opening that up. I mean, I'm going to do that at some point. But maybe I can wear this and try it with that. It's just an idea that we might be able to do. Because I've seen videos where people just like are real quiet on things, and they just they don't say anything. And it's just watching them put something together. So I thought I might try that and see what you guys think. But let me know what you think in the comments. And okay, I'm done now. Bye.